Okay, like there's going to be a flashback thing, right. There is. I used to crimp my hair, and I don't anymore. But I've been asked to recreate that big hair I used to have in the 80s, so here we go. I'll be back to you in a little while. See, if you're going to all take pictures out of me to try and make fools out of me, I might as well picture myself, and then at least then I can make a fool out of myself. Yeah, that's what this video's about. Everyone around me's taking pictures because I'm crimping my hair. One person. You turn the camera around, was that just to see what reaction you'd get?
No, I seriously considered doing a wildlife documentary on you. I seriously considered it. I thought about which angle I would need to really make it punchy, to really make it leap out of the screen at the viewer. And then I thought it could be done.
It could be done.
And then I thought
I'd kill you.
I thought that if that was me crimping my hair, I probably wouldn't appreciate the wildlife documentary being made of me. It occurred to me that
you feared for your life, really, didn't you?
I did. You're absolutely right. It's all bullshit. I just recognised that this tiger was not for filming.
Right, okay. Start! It's a little bit like this, right? But my fringe is too long. These bits sort of stuck up a bit more like that, yeah? But the fringe is too long. There's too much on top, because I'd have been cutting a bowl around here, but all this is the same length as the rest of it, so I think that's the highest I'm going to get it. Without, I haven't used any hairspray yet. Probably about the best I'm going to get. I used to actually take a comb to the nightclub. Me and my mate used to backcomb our hair. Oh my god, how fun is that?